you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Delilah, if you don't know already. It's been a whole goddamn month. I apologize. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry, you guys. It's been a whole freaking month. I've been on my bullshit. I've been distracted. But today, obviously by the title, by the picture, I'm gonna be doing that Bella Hadid inspired makeup tutorial. I'm not saying you're gonna transform into the bitch when you see this tutorial, but I'm gonna try and recreate the look. It's really, really pretty, sexy, sultry, and simple at the same time.
Hey, listen!
I'm gonna use this product right here just in case. Let's say if you have problems with your let me see. Alright, so let's say if you have problems with your skin, with your makeup, your foundation, whatever, looking really, really dry, and it's just doesn't look like skin, you don't have a pretty glow from within, I totally suggest this. I'm gonna use this underneath my makeup right now. So I already primed and all that stuff, so I'm just gonna put this on top. I put this on the areas where I would highlight, but I still end up blending it out everywhere on my skin. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. A lot of people get this confused for a foundation. It's like a skin enhancer, a liquid highlighter, okay? I'm gonna buff this out with my Sephora Pro Slanted Buffing Brush. I'm gonna mix foundations today. Obviously, if you guys seen this video, you guys have probably already saw my Jamaica vlog. This is going up before, the Jamaica vlog is going up before this video, so you guys probably saw that already. If you guys didn't, which is very rude, I'm gonna leave a little link somewhere here. I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Chestnut, and I'm gonna mix it with my Smashbox Studio Skin foundation in 4.2. I never used the Too Faced Born This Way before. This is my first time trying it. Chestnut, huh? Let's see. Let me see if I have to mix it with the Smashbox one. It's okay. I'll fucks with this one for now. I'm not gonna mix the Smashbox. So next for concealer, obviously what I always use, I'm gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer in Warm Sand. To buff that in, I'm gonna use my Sephora Collection Pro Slanted Buffing Brush. This is the more precise one. This is in number 89. I'm gonna use my Dermablend translucent powder in Cool Beige just to set everything. And I'm just doing one eye at a time because I crease a lot, so I gotta set my under eyes immediately. And I'm gonna use a beauty blender to set it because I don't know, I don't like using brushes to set under my eyes for some reason. How perfect that shit look, yo. All right. So now that we look fucking crazy, with the same concealer, I'm gonna go in with it with Cocoa. And should I use the same brush? Yeah, that same little slanted Sephora brush. I'm just gonna blend that out. Now that we're nice and blended, we are going to highlight. Where you at, highlighting brush? Every time I buy a motherfucking new brush, I always lose that shit. I swear, spirits be coming into this bitch and be stealing my brushes. Why? Why? I gotta use this bum ass little Mikasa brush that's all old and fuck, man. Anyway, I'm gonna use my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. Now where the fuck is my mirror? Do that. I'm gonna bronze and contour with the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker in Mocha Mami. This is the darkest shade that they have. Y'all already know. I love me a dark ass bronzer, contour, whatever you wanna. Oh. Yes, 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 yes. I'm gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna be using, I'll probably just use, yeah, I'm gonna just use the Soft Glam palette. This should never let me down. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use some Violet Voss glitter. Oh no! I know I said I was gonna use my Soft Glam, but I really want to use my Natasha Denona too because I just love the colors in it. This is just my Sephora palette. Did y'all motherfuckers see the new Natasha Denona Sunrise palette? I want it. I'm gonna go in with this shade, but I'm gonna go with this shade. This is the Safari palette. This is the all matte palette with my, I don't know, let's just say it's a Morphe M433 brush because that's like the same shape that it has. I'm just gonna put this on the crease. I'm gonna bring this all the way in because that's how she had it in the video. R39, R33, I think it's R39, I'm not too sure, but I'm just gonna blend out the edges without any product. Just a clean brush. Okay, cool. I'm gonna take my Sephora Pro Shader brush. I'm gonna go in with the Soft Glam because honestly, I feel like Anastasia makes the best black eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with Noir right here. I'm just gonna put this on the lash line and I'm just gonna wing it out a little bit. See? And it kind of looks like you have liner on already. That should look sexy. I'm gonna blend everything out with a Morphe M507. You know what's so crazy? Like lately, my emotions been kind of fucking with me. I've been like up and down with shit, but for some reason today, like I'm sitting here in front of the camera and I'm filming. Mind you, yo, I ain't drink today, I ain't smoke before filming, and I feel mad happy right now. Like, I think I'm gonna say it. I kind of miss making videos. I'm gonna take a Morphe M506 and with that Thorn color from the Natasha Denona palette, I'm gonna just smoke it on my lower lash line. I want it to be a little bit Zorka still. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Mulberry from the Soft Glam palette. All right. Now with the Soft Glam palette and with a any brush that looks like that, I'm gonna go in with Fairy. It's just a really pretty shimmery pale gold, and I'm gonna put this on the lid with that same little Sephora brush, the little shader brush. I'm gonna clean it off. Oh god, I'm gonna clean it off and use Fairy again, but this time I'm gonna put it in my inner corners. Now we're gonna put some glitter. This is the NYX glitter glue. We're gonna use the Violet Voss glitter that I showed you earlier. This is in the color Champagne Kisses. I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara. I don't even know if she had I don't know if she had lashes on. It didn't look like she had lashes on, but I think I'm gonna put lashes on. Okay, I lied. I'm just gonna do some accent lashes because the other ones were too big. These are the velour lashes in Would I Lie. So I'm gonna put this on and be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know. You already know I'll be using like a million things on my lips. First, I use this Morphe liner in Vibes. You know the vibes. I used a bit of my Stila of my Stila Beauty Boss lip gloss in Elevator Pitch. And I used a little bit of my Dior Lip Maximizer in 12. So yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Please give me a thumbs up if you didn't on this video. It will really help me out. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below if you can, and I'll see you guys very soon.
Se acostó temprano, mañana hay que estudiar. Ella es calladita.